This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Hello guys, it is I, Kai. Last time I made a programming YouTubers video, it was over 10 months ago, and a lot has changed until then. So, welcome to more types of programming YouTubers. Leave a comment if you have seen any of these types on YouTube. Also, while you're down there, like and subscribe. At number 1, we have the Indian genius. When we have a programming problem, we often search it online and, well, we cannot find what we need. After 5 hours of scrolling, we see a video with 5 views and we click it out of despair. An Indian genius explains the extremely hard topic in 3 minutes and writes 10 examples, and now your problem is solved.
Hello guys, this is Programming with Rajesh. Today I will show you how to create a quantum operating system using binary. Let's start by opening an IDE. I will be using Notepad. Let's write.
At number 2, we have the scammer. Last time I talked about the merchant. The difference is, at least the merchant sells you something. The scammer doesn't sell you anything, or gives you something very underwhelming for a ton of money. Please do yourself a favor, don't give your money to these kinds of YouTubers.
Yo, what up, y'all? It's ya boy, Tech Maniac. I just wanted to talk about my new non-flushable turd collection. You can buy one of these for only 12 million Beselium. It's going to not the moon, but it will go to Mars. Just make sure you go to getbeseliumnft.nope. So what are you waiting for? Just go and spend your life savings on me. I mean my non-flushable turds.
Hey, quick question, are you subscribed? We are super close to 40k and I would love it if we could reach it before the channel's birthday. So please make sure you're subscribed. Thank you. At number 3, we have the tutorial hell. Now, I love watching tutorials. They always help me with whatever I need, and I probably wouldn't be a programmer if it wasn't for them. But often I see great YouTubers fall into what I call the tutorial hell, where their regular videos get no views while their tutorials do well. They start uploading only tutorials, and it's too late at that point. Hello everyone, welcome to another video where we will be making a game engine. This is part 512, and in this episode we will be adding the preferences window to make people change the editor theme. Please watch my other videos as well. Let's start by opening Visual Studio. Number 4. The one that cannot make up their mind about what type of content they want to make. Some YouTubers make game dev content, some make programming content, and some make video essays. But some can't decide on a genre and try to make, well, everything. That is often their downfall.
Yo, what up? It's ya boy XX No Scoper IRL XX here. In yesterday's video, we made a ray tracer for the TI-84 calculator. In this video, we will be making a video game in assembly language. And also, don't forget to tune in next week when I will create the Enigma machine in Scratch using an old IBM compatible that I restored 2 days ago when I made the computer restoration video. Let's start!
And at number 5, we have the thief. I'm not opposed to the idea of people getting inspiration from others. Heck, I personally get some of my video ideas from other YouTubers. However, it is important to get inspired and not outright steal content. This is the type that just steals others' content with no changes. Thanks for tuning in at Watership. Today I will go over Java in 20 seconds. Java is a programming language that lets you create instant legacy code. It was created in 550 BC by Satan himself and was used many years ago to create enterprise software. Nowadays, it is known as the language that Minecraft was written in, and that's about it. This has been Java in 20 seconds. If only there was a way of learning that didn't require you to get help from these shady programming YouTubers. Oh, it just so happens that this video's sponsor is Skillshare. Skillshare is a gigantic platform where anyone can learn anything their heart desires. For example, wanna be a programming YouTuber yourself? Wanna learn how to make a video from start to finish? Well, look no further than Skillshare. They have all kinds of classes ranging from learning to record to editing. Me personally, I'm still astounded by how amazing this class by Marquez Brownlee is, where he teaches you how to make a video from start to finish. And personally, things I learned from it still help me to this day to make better videos. Doesn't matter what your skill level is, Skillshare has something for you. And you wanna know the best thing? The first 1000 people who use the link in the description will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. So, what exactly are you waiting for? Go ahead and join the Skillshare community today. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Watch another video for 2 days of bug-free code. Anyways, Zype Guy out.